Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews Moose. We have a huge, I mean huge, Masters of the Universe unboxing coming today. 3 boxes worth. All came in the mail recently. And as you guys know, I'm a huge Masters of the Universe fan. And I even created a logo, as you can see in the back, of my Reviews of Moose of me being He-Man. So let's go and get right into it. First box, I don't know what's in them. Like I said, a lot of this stuff was sitting in my pile of loot, which you can do at Big Bad Toy Store. And then when you're ready for it to ship, it ships for $4. So it definitely saves money in shipping rather than getting them all in there and then having them shipped one at a time and costing you a fortune for shipping. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, Big Bad Toy Store is probably the best toy company that I have ever purchased from. They do a great job with everything. And the first one up is Clawful of the cartoon series. Perfect looking toy figure. And this is the cartoon collection from Masters of the Universe. So I'm going to put him to the side. Next one we have is Trapjaw. I thought I already had Trapjaw. I'm pretty sure I already had Trapjaw, but for some odd reason I got another one. All right, we got another Trapjaw. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next one. And like I said, when I open up these things, it just takes me back in the 80s when I was a kid and all the other good stuff. And here is Snakeman, Origins Viper. Next one is the collab with the Ninja. Man, this one came up open. It's not good. I have to protect that one a little bit better. Stealth Ninja He-Man. I have to get that one, do a little bit better with that one, that unboxing there. Next one's from the carts. This is Spikor, one of my favorite characters back in the day. Alright, what do we got next? We got Hordak. This is the mashup they did with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. See what else we got in this box. And then we got the Necroconda. This one glows in the dark from the Snakeman series. Gotta love the artwork on this stuff as well. Beautiful artwork. All right, that's it for that box. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. All right. We got, from the cartoon series, we got Ram Man. I can't wait till this movie comes out by MGM. They're shooting it here now. And then I got She-Ra from the cartoon series. Let's see what else we got in here. I got Mantana from the cartoon series. And then I got this one here, which I'm not going to open. This is one of the special editions that they had on there. I'll go ahead and open it. What the hell? This is, well, yeah, I don't think I'm going to open it. I'm going to leave it this way on here. This is Marioc here. It has the 2 heads. The main guy there. This is a pretty guy. I'm going to go ahead and open it. What the heck? Let me see. We got something to open this with. This is taped pretty good. I don't know if it's sealed or not on the inside, though. That's the only thing I have the issue with. We're going to see here. Now I got to tape it back up. Yeah, that's good. I can tell. Yep. It's gonna got another case on the inside, so that's funny. And here is this one here. This one was, I think, it was exclusive with them. Another one of the characters that wasn't really shown much in the cartoon, but became pretty popular in the toy market. And the next one I have, this is a Stein. Yes, a beer Stein. I don't drink beer, but this is the Stein. This is from the Netflix series. Pretty cool looking piece of apparatus, I guess. Let's go ahead and put this over here. And we got one last box. This is a fragile handle with care. I think this might be my cookie. My cookie. What are they called? Cookie holder thing, whatever they're called. Cookie jar. Let's go ahead and get this one. This one's going to take pretty good here. Yes, it is. All right. So this is the last one we got in this opening here. This is the Castle Grayskull cookie jar. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my wife will kill me for getting this, but she'll be all right. But how cool is that? Yeah, one of my favorites. Again, one of my favorite shows. I think they did a great job with the Netflix show. But yeah, so I say out of these ones here, I do probably like the Mantanna the best. Let me know what you guys think was your favorite one on this unboxing here. Again, this is Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.